Who's that girl with that megaphone? Oh, it is Fancy Christine. So why don't you like and subscribe?
Hey guys, it's Fancy Christine, but you know what? You can call me Fancy. That's okay. So today we are going to try to recreate an eye look. Have some different things here that I'm going to try to recreate it with. So the look that I'm going to try to recreate is a vibrant and very colorful look. This past week was my birthday week. So I got some cool gifts. My sister got me this very pretty and colorful Morphe palette. So I will definitely be using this in this video to recreate the look. And then it's also shimmery, and my aunt got me this like body shimmer that I'll be putting over top of it. So that's what I'm going to use to try to recreate the look. And I'm going to pause for a second and show you what the original look is. So that's what I'm going to try to do. So wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, so we are going to start with obviously our new Morphe palette. This is the 35B palette. It's called Color Burst. So exciting. So we are going to start with the outer corner, and we're going to use this light blue here. I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush. Look at that color. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I see you. I see it. That's pretty. And we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so we've got our outer corner on with our light blue. It almost looked like they took a dark color and put it like this direction. So we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use my flat brush. This is the Morphe M124, and we're gonna go with this dark purple right here. And that's gonna kind of be an outer corner also, but not as high up as the blue is. Just to kind of get that going. I might have to put some black on there too because it's not dark enough. Yeah, we're gonna add some black to that because it is not dark enough. Oh, there we go. Okay. So the good thing about like doing a multicolored eye is like you don't have to put it on pretty. I know I've got some spillage right here. I'll get that off. You don't have to like put it on super clean and pretty because you're gonna like blend it together anyway. So I'm gonna put some more purple on top of that black, that dark purple, just to give it a little more color. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna use my first video, my cleaning sponge. And I'm gonna get that excess off of there because we are going now to a lighter purple. So we're going to use this lighter purple right here. And that's gonna go like in the middle of our lid. So the thing we have to make sure we do, like we don't want harsh lines when we are putting colors side by side. So we have to make sure to blend it in. We've talked about blending before, y'all. We're gonna make sure we are blended. And I think this purple color is gonna be like the biggest color, taking up the most room on my lid. Oh yas, oh yas. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. There we go. Okay, so we got that on, and we will get all the blending done shortly. Okay, now the next color was almost like a mauve-y color. So we're gonna go with this darker pink down here. And then I think I'm gonna change the inner corner color just a little bit. Okay, so we've got our mauve color on. Now I'm going to do this pinky purple color, and that is going to be my like inner corner color. So we're gonna get it right in the inner corner. Oh yeah, okay. It's fun. Sorry if I go down too low where you can't see me putting it on. I'm trying not to. I'm just used to getting like, my face gets like right in the mirror when I do my makeup because I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay. So we've got all of our colors on. I'm going to wipe off that excess real quick because it's driving me nuts. So this is, I just usually take my powder brush and literally just like wipe it away. Just wipe it away. So much better. Okay. So now we've still got like harsh lines in there. So now we need to kind of blend that stuff together. We don't want those harsh lines. So what I usually do is I take that same brush and I'll get a color, like we're gonna go back to that purple, and we will just kind of go over where two of the colors meet and then just blend it in. And see, that helps get rid of that the harsh line. Telling y'all, I've told y'all the key to makeup is blending. Okay, now we're going to take that dark purple and we're going to blend this side. Dark purple, blending this side. Okay. So I definitely took the blue a little higher up than they did, but I'm okay with it. I think I'm gonna bring it in a little bit more though, so it looks a little bit more cohesive. See how, yeah, we can just bring it in a little bit more. There we go. Like kind of close it off so it looks like it's supposed to do that. Okay, so we are pretty well blended. I'm going to add some of that shimmer on top of it because this is a very shimmery eye look. And I couldn't really see in the picture how they did the bottom, but I have to do something to the bottom of my eye because if I don't, it don't look complete. It just doesn't. I definitely came down too low on the side. Well, once I do something to the bottom, it'll look fine. Okay. So I'm going to go back to that Morphe, the blending brush, and we are going to get some of that body shimmer, not a lot, and we're going to put it all over the lid. Oh man, I wish that my lighting and my camera were better because that looks really good. Okay. Oh, that is fun. Okay. I will take a better picture at the end so you guys can see in full what's happening. So, like I said, got to do stuff to the under eye. So let me grab my tiny little brush. I love this brush for this. This is the Morphe M213. And I'm going to go in and do some stuff to my under eye now. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and stick with the light blue in the outer edges. Kind of like that. Do the same to the other eye. Okay, now we're going to use our little sponge to clean that off. And let's go with that lighter purple in the middle. Oh, I'm doing it again. I'm trying not to, y'all. Okay, same thing to the other eye. It's just looking, again, more cohesive. I like that word when it comes to makeup. Okay, and then we're going to do the pinky purple for the inside. Okay. So that's the look. I am going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner and some mascara and finish the rest of my face, and I will be right back. Okay guys, the rest of the makeup is done. I put some, in the picture there was a like kind of a really intense white in the corner. So I put my most blinding lightest highlight on there instead. So I'm digging this. I really am. I like it a lot. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Let me know what you think. Here it is. Alrighty guys, there it is. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay fancy, and I will see you next time. Alright, bye.